Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn all about the phrasal verb make up for. Make up for means to take a place for something lost or to compensate for something bad with something good. And it must be followed by a noun or gerund, which is ing verb. Now let's take a few examples. The first example we have, no amount of money could make up for the death of a child. You can see here the death is the noun. Or another example, he bought me dinner just to make up for being late the day before. Being here is the ing, which is the gerund. Make up for also comes as an idiom, but the structure would be make up for lost time, which means to do something as much as possible because you weren't able to do it in the past. For example, I'm taking extra few lessons to make up for lost time. Or another example, after 7 years in prison, he's at home with his kids, making up for lost time. Now it's your turn to make a sentence in the comment box down below, and I'll correct them for you. That's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. Hope you find this video useful. See you in the next one. Goodbye.